because not be all apple when man see man go dey chop. E get some apple when be say na Adam apple, forbidden one. If you chop am, make it not hook the person for throat. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just see this channel for the first time, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one particular lady. This lady, she made a very short video, and because of the kind matter, so I know just put the video here, but I'll put the link at the comment section so you guys can watch it at the end of this video. And this lady, she come out boldly, she can't talk. So more will listen to what she talk, then we'll come back.
You can call me for queen. I deal on pussy shipping. I ship pussy to all states in Nigeria down to your doorstep. What do I mean? I've volunteered myself to help all Nigerian married women and build their home. Instead of allowing your husband to go outside there and fuck those small girls and carry the leg, give them and go come your house, call it cause you wahala, go they think they cry, they think of divorce. Just send me message, tell me your location, I go come to your house. You'll be present there. I go fuck your husband and give him that excited fuck with this fresh pussy of mine. It is better you deal with the devil you know than the angel you do not know. I have decided to help you build your home. Healthy. Anytime and each time you know say, hey, don't tell you to the fuck you. Just DM me. I go come any location. I promise not to carry belly. I no go cause any harm for your home.
Okay, like I said before, I'll put the link down there so you just see the girl face, because she not do her own hide, she do her own. And many people go they wonder, say, why she decide to do this kind of job? Not be only she dey for there. You know, another lady called me. She be one of my fans. She dey call me once like that. You know, sometimes she dey drop message for me. She say whether I get one particular video when she want me, I see whether I don't see the video. So she can't send me this video. I say okay, somebody don't send the video to me. I can't say now wow the way the lady take talk. He say yes, so say because now waiting she they do be that. Now say why you they do this kind of job? She say she don't jogodo more than 9,000 men, both married men and single men. I say how come how you say they do am? She said now what she like to do, that she always travel with visa. She gets opportunity to get visa to travel all the world. That anytime she travel, now what she they do? She just they like to they go. Now say you they do this thing because say you they happy to do it, or you they do this thing because of the money when you they get. She also me say actually not because of the money. She just like to test different kind of walkie stick to know how it look like, the way it be like this, the way it be like that. Not like say what you can't gain for all these things where you did do. So you know ever think when they say you will settle down. She said she know they settle down. Even before I make this video, I tell her say I want to talk about it and I will add your own to it. She said no problem, that she's not even ashamed of it. I say what? You understand? I can't notice say she be the kind of lady when we say it's like they don't tell her say this is what you will be doing. Just be, because the lady, she's not even poor. She get money. I say okay, all these men that they give you money. It says some way be say they read that they use their church mind they give, and not be say she really asked, they'll just give her. They feel say maybe she did do it because of money, but actually she is not doing it because of money. Sometimes she will travel down to Senegal, sometimes she will travel down to Gambia, to South Africa, to different places. Just they look for married men when be say you want just do this thing with. My brothers, please, my ladies, share this video to your brothers, to anybody you just know when don't be man. So be careful, because not be all apple when man see man go they chop. He gets some apple when be say na Adam apple, forbidden one. If you chop am, make it not hook the person for throat. Some may say some ladies they do this thing for pleasure, or that they do it for because of money. No, some actually they do it, I think say now for selfish interests. Now some people they do it for just to gain something from the man, not money actually. Another thing, or just to build their self-help with what they don't put out. Because I see no reason why a woman would just like to just the chop married men they go. say he don chop tire, he never care if na married man. Less few single people sef na even though they do am. Why they make this video now is that our men, our brothers, our children, please, we beg you to be careful. Like I told before, some apple na Adam apple wey be say it is forbidden, but you no know, you go shook your mouth put, if he bring the person down for, or if he cause another thing for that person body. Okay, imagine a lady will just come out, I'm a woman, we women with a shame. Even if say they catch you self, you go even feel somehow. How much more you come publicly? I know many people they do it because of money, but they way they do it because of money. They even they dodge, they do this thing just to get the money, get what they want at that time, use and solve their particular problem at that time. Sometimes when they talk about side chicken or side chick, when we talk about them, they too they do it just because of the little thing where they want to get at that time. But this one will not be evil side chick at all. This one not be side chick. This one are for another evil purpose. So please, Mona, be careful. Una walking stick, Mona tanya kokoroko kakaraka, put her for one place. Mona tanya put for one place for una wife, for una babe, for una, in short, for una life, for una own future. Not be even because of your wife or your girlfriend. Just keep it for your own self. Because the washing machine water when they come out, they are using it for something. I just bring this video because I just say, may I keep her to myself? I say no. If I keep her to myself, what will be my gain? Before lady come and they utter this kind of word, this one make video, this voice record I just play now full video now she make. And I go see the link for down there. Then just don't want open in mouth. Me and you they discuss, they talk and say each other they do one. Not be saying that because of the money. Okay, I can't say now the enjoyment na cause. You say actually not be the enjoyment. Then waiting make come they do one. You see say evil people don't fool the heads. So they distribute all these things. Sometimes things go they happen to some men. You just see some men when you see say they don't climb up finish or just go down barakata. You don't know the problem. You just see some men when be say they will dey healthy before you know it they happen one thing or the other don't they do them. They don't know say they don't chop the forbidden apple. Please, my brother, I don't say me you not chop apple, but if you want chop your wife phone. Chop your girlfriend, don't when you know say you want marry, put for house. All these guys small chop, make I chop clean mouth. Small shit, now they stand that back here there. Please, I beg you, my people. I don't want to make this video long, but I just bring this message come out to let una know say many ladies don't they hard there. We be say they know they do it because of the money. Fine, some they do it because of money, but they do it because of purpose. The purpose, me as I dey here, so I don't know because due to the explanation, I know say na for purpose. So everybody go use their tongue, take count their teeth. So I go leave this matter for here. So my sisters, my brothers, Mona share this video so that Mona learn. This particular lady wey bring herself come out, you think say na normal thing? A word is enough for the wise. I don't know how they take talk on me. I not go make a mistake, but I hope you guys will understand me. So thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me. I did there for you through Dreams Bright Life with Lady T. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you are sharing our video, you are helping to save soul, especially this particular video. If you share it, you are going to save so many men. It might be your brother, you understand? So if you share it, you are saving soul. And we always pray for people that share our video, you that subscribe to us, you that watch us, that is our viewers. We always pray for you that Almighty God will always send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. If you call 1,000, we answer you. Thank you so much and see you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. see you through.